Your blood pressure numbers are key. They tell about heart health. Think of it as a report for your arteries. High blood pressure is sneaky. It often shows no signs. This is why it's called silent. It can damage blood vessels and harm your heart slowly. Without checks, you won't know. Early knowledge means early action. Regular checks are very helpful. They help you and your doctor. If high, they can make plans. Diet changes can lower it. More movement helps your heart. Sometimes medicine is needed too. Measuring at home gives power. You can track your own numbers between doctor visits. This shows a bigger picture of how your pressure changes daily. This knowledge leads to smart choices. Take charge of your well-being. To measure blood pressure well, you will need a special device. It is a blood pressure monitor. Some call it a sphygmomanometer, but monitor is much easier. Many are automatic now and have digital screens. Checking at home is simple. There are two main monitor types. Manual ones are the classic style. Doctors often use these devices with a stethoscope. Digital ones are for home use. They are often very automatic and easier to read. For home, digital is usually best. A digital monitor has parts. There is an inflatable arm cuff. This cuff wraps around your arm. There is also a display unit. Setting up is usually quite easy for any digital type monitor. Always read the instructions first. Before you even touch the cuff, there are several important steps to take. Prepare your body and your mind by taking deep breaths and sitting in a relaxed posture. Your body needs to be calm and your mind at ease. It must be fully relaxed, free from any tension. If you feel rushed, your readings can be artificially high. We want your resting pressure, so take your time. Sit quietly for several minutes before starting. Breathe calmly and feel at peace. Find a very comfortable chair to sit in. It should have good back support to keep you upright. Sit with your back straight up, maintaining good posture. Your feet should be flat on the floor, not dangling or crossed. Do not cross your legs or ankles, as this can affect the reading. Your arm position is also key to an accurate reading. Rest your chosen arm on a table or armrest at heart level. It needs to be at heart level for the most accurate measurement. If your arm is too low, the reading will be higher than it should be. If your arm is too high, the reading will be lower than it should be. Your palm should face upwards, resting comfortably. Make sure you are in a quiet room, free from distractions. Noises can make you feel tense and affect your reading. The cuff goes on bare skin, so roll up your sleeve first. Make sure your arm is bare and ready for the cuff. These small steps make a big change in ensuring an accurate blood pressure reading. Section 4. The How-To, Measuring Your Blood Pressure Step by Step. In this section, we will guide you through the process of measuring your blood pressure accurately and effectively. First, wrap the cuff on your arm. Make sure it is positioned correctly to get an accurate reading. It goes on your upper arm. This is the ideal spot for the most precise measurement. It must be on your bare skin. Avoid placing it over clothing, as this can affect the results. The bottom edge of the cuff should be about 1 inch above your elbow's bend. This ensures the cuff is in the right place. The cuff should feel snug, but not too tight. You should be able to fit 2 fingers underneath it comfortably. Slip 2 fingers underneath it. This helps to ensure it is not too tight or too loose. If you have a digital monitor, using it is very simple. These devices are designed for ease of use. Just press the button to start. The machine will handle the rest. The cuff inflates on its own, then it will slowly deflate. This process is automatic and ensures consistent results. Try to stay still and quiet. Movement or talking can affect the accuracy of the reading. If using a manual monitor, close the valve on the bulb, then pump air into the cuff. This requires a bit more effort but can be just as accurate. For the digital monitor types, your numbers will show up soon. The display will provide both systolic and diastolic readings. They appear right on the screen. This makes it easy to read and record your results. When the measurement is done, it will show systolic pressure. This is the top number on the display. That is the top number. It indicates the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats. It shows diastolic pressure too. This is the bottom number on the display. That is the bottom number. It indicates the pressure in your arteries when your heart is at rest. For manual, you listen carefully. Using a stethoscope, you need to detect the sounds of your heartbeat. The first thumping sound you hear when air is let out slowly is systolic pressure. This requires careful attention. The point the sound disappears is your diastolic pressure. This marks the end of the measurement. Digital screens do this for you. They simplify the process by displaying both numbers clearly. Section 5. Top tips for true numbers and healthy habits. Try to measure at the same time each day. Consistency is key to getting accurate readings, like morning, before you eat, or evening, after dinner. These times can help you get a more stable reading. Your blood pressure changes all through the day. It can be influenced by various factors like stress, activity, and even what you eat. So, consistency helps you track. Keeping a log can help you and your doctor see patterns over time. Do not measure right when up. Your body needs time to adjust after waking. Wait about 30 minutes first. This allows your body to settle into a more natural state. Avoid some things before a test. Certain activities and substances can affect your readings. Do not drink coffee or tea or other drinks with caffeine. These can temporarily raise your blood pressure. Wait for 30 minutes after. This ensures that the caffeine has left your system. Do not smoke before you measure. Nicotine can also raise your blood pressure. Avoid any hard exercise for at least 30 minutes too. Physical activity can temporarily increase your blood pressure. These things can raise pressure. We want to avoid any temporary spikes. We want your resting pressure. This gives a more accurate picture of your health. Also, empty your bladder first. A full bladder can affect your reading. Take 2 or 3 readings each time you check. This helps to ensure the accuracy of your measurements. Wait 1 to 2 minutes between. This allows your blood pressure to stabilize. This helps to ensure accuracy. Consistent and accurate readings are crucial for monitoring your health. If readings are very different, wait a bit longer. Sometimes it takes a few minutes for your blood pressure to settle. You can average these readings if they are close together. This gives a more accurate overall picture. Home monitoring helps you and your doctor. It provides valuable data for managing your health. It does not replace doctor visits. Regular checkups are still important. Knowing numbers is step 1. Understanding your readings is crucial for managing your health. Healthy heart action is next. Combine monitoring with a healthy lifestyle for the best results.